So guys, now we're working with lesson 18.3, and again, we're gonna keep on working with the same proportion, all right? So here we have 18.3, and I'm just gonna work with a few problems. First problem I wanna work out. It says 93 is 15.5% of what number? As you can tell, I'm now finding the total. So we're here. The x gotta be down there. I know 93, this is the percent. I'm gonna use the percent with decimals. It's probably a little bit more clear for you guys to see. So I'm gonna say 15.5 out of 100, right? I don't need the percent here. And then 93, it's the correspondent to the percent, and I know x is gonna be down here now, okay? And then I'm just gonna multiply, cross product forever. And then I divide, right? And I know x is actually going to be 600. That's why my division got into 600. So the total here is actually gonna be 600, okay? Let's work on number 9 now, which has decimal numbers. Just wanted to figure it out with you guys. Again, I need to see, so the percent is 35 out of 100. Right? The corresponding part, it's going to be 20.3, and I don't know the total. Then if I do cross product, this is going to be 2030 actually, because I just need to move the decimal point twice to the right, and then I just divide over 35. That is, in my math, I got 58 as a total. So here I have 58. That's simple. The problem I want to work with you here is actually problem 27. There are 27 more students enrolled at Jefferson School than there were last year. This represents an increase of 6%. How many students were enrolled last year? If you think about it, this problem is not really that difficult if we do know these two things. First, we have 27 more students this year than last year. And second, that amount corresponds to 6% of the total of students we had in that school last year. And then now we need to figure out how many students were in the school last year. So that percent is going to be 6, and that is going to be out of 100 for sure. We know 27 is the corresponding part to the percent, and then we don't know the total, which is the total of students. We're gonna have this cross product, which is gonna be 6x equals 2,700, and then we just divide by 6, which makes it, 450. Okay? And so that is the answer we want to get. So you're not gonna have any trouble with this lesson, these two lessons actually. And the entire chapter. Chapter 18 is pretty simple for you guys. So I'll see you for lesson 18.4 and 18.5 later, okay?